Hi, I'm Pastor Brady. Wait, Marissa? Marissa? Ah!
Hi.
What?
I'm Deaconess Marissa. Welcome back to
P&D Theater.
Hey, look what I brought with me.
What did you bring?
Radishes.
Radishes? Well, why radishes?
Because they're the best vegetable, of course.
Are they really?
I've never even had one. But I did bring them because they're for our object lesson today.
Oh, it's an object lesson.
Woo!
What? Hey, Deaconess Marissa.
Yes.
What else are we gonna need?
Well, let me tell you.
You're gonna need a pitcher, a gallon-size Ziploc bag, a roll of duct tape, rocks or marbles or radishes if you don't have those, a screwdriver or something to poke holes with,
Yep.
and don't forget to bring a towel.
To do the activity, first you're going to take your bag of radishes, or rocks or marbles, or whatever you got, and dump them into the gallon Ziploc bag.
Then take the screwdriver and poke holes all over the bag.
Even though we poked so many holes in the bag, we didn't lose a single radish, did we? So the bag must be holding up, right? Well, let's see how well the bag really held up.
To see what shape the bag is in, we're going to need to fill the pitcher with water.
All right, let's get started. Now we pour the water into the bag of radishes.
Wait, let's take it outside, and you guys might want to do the same.
Okay, that's much better. Now that we're outside, you're going to want to open the bag and pour the water in and see what happens.
Even though the radishes stayed in the bag, you can see that the bag is not in good shape.
Ah! Ah! Oh, okay. Oh, whew. That's cold. Always remember, bring a towel. This devotion is based off of Proverbs 12:18, which says, "Speaking rashly is like a piercing sword, but the tongue of the wise brings healing." In this devotion, we and others are represented by the bag of radishes, and the holes that we poked in represent the way we can speak to each other at times.
Remember, speaking rashly is like a piercing sword. And too often, this is the way we speak to each other.
Sometimes we're like this bag of radishes. We look like we're holding it together, but in reality, we're full of holes by the things that people have said to us that have caused damage. And even worse, sometimes we're the ones who have made the holes for others.
But remember, there is a second half to that verse. The tongue of the wise brings healing.
So, if you're ready, grab your bag and your duct tape and let's get healing.
Once you've covered all the holes, let's try this one more time.
As you can see, this really doesn't work out very well. Even if we bandage over every single hole, the bag is still likely to leak and cause a mess. It's the same too when we try to patch up the damage we've done when we've said something mean to somebody else. It's really hard to fix the wounds that we've inflicted with our tongues. Now, of course, we should always strive to speak words of kindness, words of the wise, words that bring healing.
But when we're not able to heal with our words, we need to fall back on the living word, on Jesus, who brings healing and salvation.
Will you pray with us? Dear God, help us to use words of wisdom, and thank you for giving us your living word when we fall short. Amen.